Hi everyone, it is Maidos DIY back with another video. So today I'm just doing the connecting up all the fittings. So I put the elbow on the cold water line, as you can see, and that elbow is gonna go directly into the shower mixer. And then I'm just putting my inserts on, my rings onto my PEX pipe, and then that pipe will go into that small piece of pipe will go directly into the elbow, and it will go into the mixer. Yeah, so you will just see me now afterwards. I would just see how the mixer is going to stand. So I want it exactly in the middle for the pipe that is gonna be our shower head is gonna go on. So that pipe must be straight into the middle. So now I put my straight footing on, and that will go in that side.